Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning is hiring positive and motivated people for positions including HVAC Technician, Service Plumber, General Manager, Dispatcher, and Customer Service Representative. For qualified applicants, we're offering lucrative sign-on bonuses, top pay, benefits, and incentives. If you're a hardworking, self-motivated, and determined individual that can multitask with attention to detail, we'd like to talk with you. Titanz is a well-established company that's been delivering top-quality work in the home service industry around Southwest Florida for over 15 years. We are a family-owned and operated company that offers a friendly and efficient work environment. So come join our family and build a career you can be proud of. Apply now by calling our office at 941-875-9669. You can also email your resume to admin@titansplumbing.com. We are Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning for all your service needs.